Friends, today I'll show you how we can grow tomatoes in our home. Tomatoes are one of the easiest plants to grow and they grow really quickly too. So let's begin. For this I have taken a ripe tomato and I have washed it because I'm going to use it now for cooking, and I have a knife. So it's very easy. What I'll do is I'll just chop this. After chopping this, you'll see that the seeds are found here. So what I'll do is I'll just gently pluck these seeds out. I won't be using a lot because these seeds really sprout well. So I'll just use about 4 seeds that are here. And I'll chop the rest of the tomatoes. And just spare it. So we will work with the seeds that we have here. Let's show you how. So friends, here we are. I have a mixture of potting soil and peat moss here, and I have the seeds that I have extracted from the tomato, and now I'm going to just plant these seeds in the potting soil. That's how we do it. I'll just pick all the seeds. If you have more, you can plant more. I'm just going with 5 seeds for now. After it's done, I'll just press it with one finger so that it goes to a little bottom of the soil like this. Just cover it lightly with the soil and then just gently water it. Just water it really slightly. You don't need to water it too much right now. That's it. I'll see you in about 10 days to give you more updates. So friends, it's been 10 days now since I had planted the tomato seeds in this pot, and you can see how well it's doing and how well it has grown. You can see more than 5 plants here because I had cut one more tomatoes and I added like those seeds here, 2 to 3 more seeds in here, and you should do that too, because in case one of the seedling doesn't work or like it doesn't make it this big, you still have your backup plants. So it's always better to start with more seeds. So that's why I had added about 10 seeds, and as far as I can see, there are 7 plants here. And what I do is I water it once in 2 days, and my plants are doing exceptionally well for now. Guys, this was an update for my tomato plants so far. I'll keep you posted more on this. Meanwhile, if you have any suggestions or questions regarding growing plants, please drop me a comment down below. Also, if you want me to try to grow some other plants, please let me know. I would love to do that. Thank you for watching. See you until next time. Bye.